How to create a post on Facebook. Ready to share what's on your mind, your launch, or your cat? Let's post it on Facebook. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Unlock your phone and tap on that friendly blue F icon. Then tap what's on your mind. That's your space to share something. Now tap your thoughts or add media. Write a message, add emojis, or tap photo video to upload something cool. You can even tag friends, add your location, or tap feeling or activity to share what you are up to. Tap the small button under your name to pick who sees your post, public, friends, or only me. All done? Tap the post button in the top right. Boom! Your message is live. Pro tip: want your post to pop? Use color backgrounds, stickers, or even go live. And that's how you post like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.